Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again. Today I have an unboxing video and I just picked this piece up like maybe an hour ago and I've been waiting to open it so I can go ahead and film a video. This is a very, very large box. I feel like the box is a lot bigger than the actual piece, but I'm not complaining. I love getting these dust boxes because I definitely repurpose them. So it's a very large box. You can see the rest, it doesn't even fit in the frame almost. But I wanna go ahead and just do an unboxing here. I'm sure you can already guess by the title what item this is and a little bit of a story. So like I said, I picked this up this evening. However, this is not the piece that I initially went in for. So I will explain that once I do the unboxing. So let's go ahead and open this up. So beautiful. The packaging is always so special to me. I think it's just, it makes the experience. Let's go ahead and open this up. And then we'll go ahead and open it up. Oh my goodness, this is so large. It almost doesn't even fit on this table here. So I wonder if anybody can guess what this piece is by looking at the dust bag. Guess what it is. Looks like it could be, dare I say, a backpack. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Oh, that was a struggle to get that out. So here I've got the Palm Springs in the MM size in the monogram print, and I am so thrilled. I have been wanting to add this to my collection for years. And I say that because I have the Palm Springs mini backpack and I just love that backpack. I wear it so often that I just felt like I needed something a little bit larger. So here you can see, it is the new design. I know the older models had the lip covering the zipper, so there was a lot of tearing and ripping, and it wasn't easy to open from what I've seen in a lot of the reviews. So this is the exposed zipper. So this is so easy to open and close. Beautiful zipper there. I'm going to go ahead and film a separate video and it'll be a thorough comparison in between the Palm Springs Mini and the Palm Springs in the MM. So like I was saying earlier, I initially went into Louis Vuitton and I was looking for the Palm Springs in the PM size. And I thought that the PM size was gonna be a perfect size for me. You know, as I said many times on my channel, I go to theme parks. So that's why I purchased this bag. I bought it just to travel and go to theme parks. And so to me, I just felt like the MM size might actually suit me better. So they actually did not have the PM in stock. And so I said, darn it, okay, I guess I'm not gonna leave with anything. But then I went ahead and asked if they had the MM in stock, and they did. And I did that because the only concern I had was the straps. I wanted to go ahead and try this on because I didn't want to look too silly. And I know I've seen a lot of reviews on this, and everybody talked about the straps being so thick, and I just wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to look foolish on me. So I tried it on, and I really didn't mind this. I don't mind the straps very much. I think when I tried it on, it was extremely comfortable. So here you've got, you know, the really thick black leather straps. They're so puffy. And then just like the Palm Springs Mini, you have the adjustable leather straps down here. And you'll just go ahead and loop this in here. And then you can adjust the strap that way. So it's literally an identical piece to the Palm Springs Mini, just larger. And then here we've got the black treated leather handle. So that's gonna be really nice. And I don't have to worry about having any untreated vachetta. And that's kind of an inconvenience I don't like dealing with a lot of my other pieces. And so here, like I said, you've got the exposed zipper, and then the zipper tabs look like this. So they're gold and they're beautiful, and I'm so excited. Now this isn't a real pocket here. You can see just their stitching here, not to be confused with a real pocket. But there is an actual functional pocket in the front here. Now in the Palm Springs Mini, it really serves no purpose. You can't really fit anything. I could fit a chapstick in there. I could fit one single key fob, but that's pretty much the extent of it. So I'm excited to actually be able to utilize the front pocket. So I'll probably go ahead and put maybe some car keys, maybe my cell phone. We'll see if my cell phone fits. So let's go ahead and open up the front pocket to see how easily accessible it really is. You want to go ahead and use this leather tab here, and you're going to pull against, and it's actually going to help you open up the pocket here. So let's go ahead and do that. Opened fairly easily. And yeah, I mean, there's definitely room. I can fit plenty of pieces in here. And I think I'll just do a quick bag transfer, and we'll see how much extra space there is in this video as well. So then we'll go ahead and use the opposite tab to close it. Let's go ahead and open up the main compartment. So it's just the one zipper here. Opens pretty smoothly. This looks like it was stuffed with some paper. And so inside, it is a pretty large compartment in here. It's just one compartment. There's actually one little back pocket here. We've got the serial number here that was in the pocket. We'll take that out. I like to keep all of my serial numbers with the receipts. All of my proof of purchases are together in one. That way I don't lose anything. There is one big pocket in the back here, but it almost seems like if you had this full, it's gonna flop this way, but I'm sure that's not an issue. And it looks like this bag was made in the US. It just says Louis Vuitton Paris. And so whenever it doesn't specify a city that it was made in, that means that it was made in the US. And usually I'm a stickler. I really like to have all my pieces be made in France, but the essay told me that she believes that they are going to be phasing out the Palm Springs backpacks. And I really hope that's not true, because I really still want to get the PM, maybe not now, maybe in a year or so, maybe a year or two, just because I think all of these sizes, they're so different and they each offer something really different from each other. So you've got the mini, that's great for just shopping and everyday use, you know. You've got the PM, that's the next size up, which I think could be used, it could be used for travel for sure, and also theme parks. And then you've got the MM, and I feel like people really made this backpack seem like it was really large online. I don't think it's that big. I mean, yes, it's a larger backpack than the mini or the PM, but it's really not that much bigger than the PM when I looked at the dimensions. So I felt like this was probably going to be a better fit. And in here, I mean, I could definitely roll up a long sleeve or a sweater, you know, for Disneyland, or a water bottle. And it really could fit a lot, it seems like. So I'm going to go ahead and just take my daily SLGs and let's see how well everything fits. Okay, here are my daily pieces that I bring with me every day, obviously. So let's see how well this fits in. I'm gonna go ahead and test the front pocket first. Let's just take my wallet. Let's see, now looking even at the comparison, looks like it should definitely fit in there. I'm trying to be careful to not scratch anything. Even though it's canvas and it's really durable, I just like to be extra cautious. Oh wow, that fits beautifully in there, if you can see. Totally enough space for the zippy coin purse. Let's see if there's anything else I could fit. I mean, this looks kind of thick, but let's see if it'll fit with this. Oh my goodness. It does fit. It does bulge a little bit, but let me see if that closes. Let me see how that would close. Oh, wow. That is very impressive. I didn't think I could utilize the front pocket really whatsoever. So that is great. I give that an A+. Let's take it out. I want to see how much could fit in the center compartment. All right, so let's go ahead and take my mini pochette. I've got this in the monogram print, obviously. And I've got my another mini pochette in the Donny band print. And I've got my zippy wallet, my 6-ring key holder, my key pouch, and then I've got a slip here for strictly for cash. And wow, there's a lot of space left here. I could really fit some other things in there, that's for sure. You know what? I'm curious. I've got my Pochette Matisse here. I'm gonna see if the Pochette Matisse actually fits inside of the backpack. All right, here's my Pochette Matisse. I honestly feel like it could fit even with everything in here. Oh my goodness. That fits. It fits just fine with no problem, and there's definitely room to spare. Wow, I mean, I knew it could fit a lot, but I didn't think it would be able to fit that much. Awesome. This makes me very excited. Let's go ahead and take this guy out. I'm going to find some other items that I think could fit in here as well. Let's go ahead and put in the pochette accessoire. I'm not going to include the strap. All right, so let's put this guy, which like I said in another video, this is a SLG technically. So we'll go ahead and pop that in there, and there is plenty of room still. There is just a lot of room. I don't know what else I can put in there. For organizational purposes, I'll most likely put in my zippy wallet in the back. That way I can know where it is at all times. Probably my cash as well. And then probably my key fob, just because those are the things that I'm gonna always need to pull out specifically. So you can see that fits beautifully in there. Then I've got the pochette accessoires along with the mini pochettes. And again, that just fits beautifully. No concerns, no problem. It is a little bit heavy, but I don't think that's gonna be an issue just because the straps are so thick here. So I am extremely excited to try this backpack out. I think I'll be able to take it out for a spin next weekend. I'll definitely upload a follow-up video, kind of giving my first impressions of using it at a theme park, and I can see how well the sizing really works for me. Let me know in the comments below if you own this piece, or if you want to add it to your collection, or if you can't even imagine ever adding a backpack to your collection. I would love to know. I'm always curious to see other people's opinions. I will be sure to update you all and give you an honest opinion. And like I said, look out for a comparison between the Palm Springs Mini and the Palm Springs and the size. So I think I'll be able to give some pretty good feedback and suggestions and opinions on that. So thanks so much for stopping by. See you next time. Bye.